we need to focus. We need a lot of conferences, not only one conference, focusing on different areas according to the needs of the students, according to the needs of the members, according to the need of industry, and so on and so forth. So I would like to point out, I know that you have an IEEE student branch in this college, and also there is a Signal Processing Society chapter. I hope many of you know that there are a lot of opportunities in IEEE for specializing. This comes in the form of societies. See, there are about 39 societies in IEEE, starting with the antennas, then the microwaves. It's not in the same order: communications, computer science, broadcasting, microwaves, photonics, and so on and so forth. So these provide us an ample scope for specializing. Of course, we need to have enough members in each of these chapters, and also we need to attract experts for our technical programs and so on. But individually, personally, from a student's point of view, or from an individual faculty point of view, it is very necessary that we specialize. So I would suggest everyone to, of course, I suppose I understand that most of you, the participants, are interested in this topic on integrated circuits for communication and other applications. But I suppose many of the faculty members and students also have some diverse interests, and within this domain, you can specialize in diverse areas. For example, the research development is on towards artificial intelligence. So there's a lot of scope for in technology. You see, the conference, I would take it as emphasizing on the technology part. There are a lot of necessity for technologies in many other domains like artificial intelligence. Similarly, there are a lot of emerging areas like photonics, for example. So the interconnections, and then the many applications starting with the fiber optic communications, and also people talk about the computing, optical computing, quantum computing. These are all emerging domains. So I hope some of you take interest to form a few more chapters and take up more activities. And from the Bangalore section, we would assure all the support for all your activities, not only in this college and the whole North Karnataka region and the colleges nearby. We'll have a separate informal discussion later on with the students and members from the nearby other colleges and regions, and we'll try to take up a lot of activities. We have initiated programs where the members, as you know, there are about 30 EXICOM members in Bangalore section, and of course a lot of expertise, and we are suggesting and urging all these members to go to various places, not only in the big cities, to spread and take up activities for the benefit of students, faculty members, and so on. So there are a lot of other things which I need not, you may please look at the website and the brochure of Bangalore section for the various activities that we take up. For example, we have a program on Indian languages. You can have these technical talks in Indian languages so that people from the remote areas can understand. Of course, not in a very high level, but in a understandable way. We have started that, and a lot of workshops. And financially also, we are somewhat liberal towards the colleges outside Bangalore and the remote places. So I hope you will make use of all this, and also we'll coordinate with the North Karnataka subsection, and also other, as you know, there are 3 subsections in Bangalore section. So we'd like to take up all these activities, and I hope every one of us will excel in whatever pursuits that you are taking. So I would like to emphasize that once again, in addition to the professional benefits, the most important benefit from all these activities is firstly technical. So please focus on the technical part first. Then on the sidelines, you can do the networking and discussions with your peers and so on, and benefit from various aspects of the conference. I once again thank the organizers for inviting me and also taking up this conference, and wish you all the best for this conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the thought-provoking address. Moving on, I request Professor Shilpa Patil to introduce the guest of honor, Dr. Pradeep V. Desai, CEO, Telesat Innovations Private Limited, who is also one of our today's keynote speakers.
Good morning all. Dr. Pradeep is the co-founder and CEO of Telesat Innovations Private Limited. Telesat develops accessible and affordable healthcare solutions using digital technologies, human physiology, and AI. Dr. Pradeep has experience in developing innovative solutions for medtech, health tech, and digital therapeutics. Before becoming an entrepreneur, He held senior leadership positions at General Electric, Tata Consultancy Services, and Philips Research. He set up and led global teams for research and innovation at these companies. He did his postdoctorate at Dauphine University, Paris, France, PhD in Computer Science and Engineering, Masters in Electronics, and Bachelor in Electronics and Communication, MBA Computer Application, Newport University, USA. Dr. Pradeep is the Fellow, Institution of Engineering and Technology, UK, Senior Member of Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer, USA, Life Member, Indian Society for Technical Education, Chairman of Computer Society of India, Bangalore chapter. He has a great network in the industry, research and academia. He mentors medtech, health tech and deep tech startups. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Dr. Pradeep V. Desai to present the opening remarks.
Good morning. I'm honored to be here, and I never miss an opportunity to actually address students. So when Professor Vishnath asked me whether I could come here, I said yes, of course. But I put him into a lot of trouble. I landed here by the railway, by the train at 2:30 in the morning, and he was there to receive me. So first of all, I must appreciate and congratulate the organizing committee, the organizers, to have such an important event at HKE. And then of course, partnering and sponsored by IEEE, one of the oldest, one of the global society which promotes electrical electronics. I'm a member. I was a member of IEEE when I was a student like you. Of course, now I've become a senior member of IEEE. I must also kind of give a few tips. Of course, I will give a talk in the afternoon. As students, these events are extremely important. In our days, whenever we had an event like this, we were looking forward to it. In today's world, you may be having many such events coming. So please attend them. A couple of things you can get out of it. One, of course, the technical side of it. So you can get to know what's the trends. You can also get to speak to people who come to these events, exchange some thoughts, try to find out what is happening in the world today, from the industry, from the academia, from the research, innovations, whatever questions you have in your mind, please use this opportunity. The other thing, of course, is these kind of events actually help you to broad base or improve your personality. For me, I went through these, if I look back, many of these events actually has helped me to be what I am today. So from working for corporates, big companies, and having my own company today, all of these, if I look back, I can actually connect the dots. And how this is going to be useful, right now you may not understand it, but you can only connect the dots forward, right? That's what Steve Jobs also said. So these events are extremely important. Please make full use of it. You should be very happy that your college, your society is able to get people here to speak to you. And I don't have much to say. I again congratulate the organizers, the society, for putting up such a nice show. And I look forward to talking to you a little later. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for marking the beginning with great enthusiasm and energetic vibes. Today, we are fortunate to have amongst us such dynamic speakers and achievers. It's a matter of pride to have a guest of honor of today's inaugural function, Dr. Chalavadi Vishnu from Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati. I request Professor Jyoti BK to introduce our guest of honor to all.
Good morning, everyone. It is truly an honor to have all of you here today. as we gathered for International Conference on Integrated Circuits and Communication Systems 2024. Our event is made even more special by the presence of an esteemed guest, Dr. Chalavadi Vishnu. Sir has received his BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from JNTU Hyderabad in 2016 and MTech in Computer Science and Engineering and PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from IIT Hyderabad, India during 2018 and 2022 respectively. He has also successfully completed his postdoctoral research from University of Agder, Norway in 2023. Currently, he is working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science at IIT Tirupati. His research interests include learning representations of video activities and drone data, autonomous vehicles, aerial imagery analysis, etc. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I request Chalavadi sir to present his words.
Good morning, all. As previously the guests have already mentioned on the fantastic organizing committee, I would also like to support that, saying that the way they treated and the way they organized even from the beginning of this workshop was fantastic. So I would like to support the organizing committee in congratulating them. And so, as previously Pradeep sir has mentioned, these events are important because if you go to the previous slide, you see that I've done my postdoctoral in Norway. So that is the main reason actually for these events like this. I did that because I did not have societies like this coming to my universities earlier to give me the necessary exposure on even what kind of problems that we work on, what topics to work on. So these events, you have to think that you will not need to go abroad. You will not need to do any additional education again after you complete this degree. So that is the main importance of these societies. So you actually start off running, because we have done all of this earlier, all of these hard work earlier. You don't have to do all of them. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can directly start off running by taking the opportunities of these societies, and especially HKE. Thank you, HKE, for giving the students these very fantastic opportunities. And so that is the main motivation, I would say, to come to these, because you will actually find out what are the major concepts, what is happening around the world, and you will be in synchronization with the other universities across the world. So I think I would end. I'll continue again on especially why it is important for India and especially as a developing country. So I'll meet you again. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for the awakening and enlightening words. A dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. We are fortunate to have the distinguished researcher, Professor Ravi Hosamani, Chair, IEEE North Karnataka Subsection, the sculptor of human character, seasoned scholar, and navigator of the flagship of knowledge, as a special invitee. I now request Professor V.K. Jalihal to introduce the special invitee to the gathering.
Good morning. It's my privilege to be introducing Professor Ravi Hosamani, who is present chair of IEEE North Karnataka subsection. He earned his BE degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering and completed his MTech in VLSI Design and Embedded Systems from VTU, Belgaum. Currently serving as Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering at KLE, Institute of Technology, Hubli. He is currently pursuing PhD in Electronics and Communication Engineering at KLE, Belgaum. KLE Institute of Technology affiliated to VTU Belgaum. His research interests include wireless communication, VLSI, and signal processing. Ravi sir has several publications in national and international journals and conferences. Additionally, he has successfully guided more than 25 projects and a patent. His many impactful projects are there, and one of his projects has won KCST Best Project in the year 2016 and 17. In his academic and impactful journey, he has conducted over 30 webinars and technical talks, actively engaged in more than 50 student activities. Notably, he plays a pivotal role as a co-chair 2024 Innovation Challenge track of the IEEE YES IST 12, that is Youth Endeavors for Social Innovation Using Sustainable Technology, Innovation Challenge track. Ravi sir has been actively involved in initiatives supporting those in need of health support during COVID-19 pandemic as a Youth Red Cross coordinator. Recognized for his academic and leadership achievements, Ravi sir achieved a full fellowship for VLSI Embedded and VLSI Design Conference in 2014 and 2020. He has held several important positions in IEEE and has got recognition for his contribution at various levels. That's a brief introduction. Time is not sufficient to. He has got a lot of achievements to his credit. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. I request Ravi sir to address the gathering.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. Respected Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. T. Srinivas sir, Chair IEEE Bangalore Section, Professor IISc Bangalore, the Guest of Honors, Dr. Pradeep Desai, Dr. Vishnu, and the management of HKE Society and organizing team and participants, authors, audience, student volunteers, faculty fraternity of Sri M. Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, Raichur, because most of the SLN used to call, so particularly it's now Sri M. Visvesvaraya College of Engineering. I didn't get an opportunity to say the few words after as a keynote. Let me stretch on my words here itself. I wanted to add how this volunteership will benefit as the engineering student, as a host, as a professors, as a part of conference. If I look into the host institute, the hosting an IEEE conference enhance the academic reputation of the college and showcases its commitment to research and technological advancement. As we seen the commitment from the organizing team, so they are well supportive, well coordinating, as well as we have seen the report from Vishwanath sir saying that the paper submitted across the globe. This is what is the importance of connecting the college, the researchers across the globe. And this will give the connectivity between the researchers, professors, collaborators, partners to the institute, as well as inherently it supports the faculties, students to collaborate and enrich their knowledge in their graduation. And it also helps to provide wide visibility of the college, existence of committed faculties, researchers in the particular local or global level, and also helps to collaborate with the researcher, those will present those will participate in terms of a keynote speakers, in terms of authors from a tier 1 institute. As a faculty, as a student, we can interact with them, we will learn a lot, which is unique opportunity when we host IEEE conferences. And inherently, we will develop professional skills when we interact with experts, as well as we wanted to know, so what are the edge technologies, what is happening current in the industry, current in the research field. And such kind of an opportunity will vibrantly helps all our faculty to think towards a research and come up with some patents, come up with some product, come up with some publications, which this kind of an environment will be built across the faculty fraternity and collaboration with the students. And with this few words, I would like to add on some more points, the benefit of IEEE being in the campus. So Bangalore section and North Karnataka subsection is working hard towards to reach each and every college. Those are aspirant to know the technology with the help of industry leaders, with the help of tier 1 professors, so that they will come to the campus, they will share their knowledge, they will help as a bridge between the industry, knowledge, expert domains. So this kind of an opportunities we need to build. If we have a student branch in the campus, so one is we are witnessing, we can conduct conferences, we can felicitate the students with initiations of Bangalore section like student scholarship. I know the SLN already received 2 to 3 student scholarships, and seed money for a student branch. Chapters, if you have, you will get a seed money in terms of $1,000 as specialization. Our guest says specialization in terms of SPS or ComSoc or MTTS, AESS. You can come up with your specialization so that you can get the good people. With this, my quick words, I thank HKE management for encouraging the faculty fraternity to conduct and believe in a quality of IEEE conference for advancing knowledge and innovation within the faculty researchers across northern region of Karnataka. And my heartfelt appreciation to all the faculties, all the organizing team. They worked hard. It is 1 year project. It's not a 1 day, 1 inauguration, 2 days. It's a 1 year project. So those are worked hard to reach out to this state and made it successful. And my big thanks to IEEE volunteers. You can see the white t-shirts, right? You can see the vibrancy in them, right? Big hand applause for them, hands of applause for them. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲೋ ವೈಟ್ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲೋ ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ sir said, in earlier first edition it was around 700 papers. In a second edition it is 1200, right? Now you are around 30. Okay, in 2025 it should be 60 members, and make sure that over the years this conference will be tier 1 conference of northern region of Karnataka. So this is my words, and once again congratulations to all the people those worked hard and made it successful. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the value-added address. Some of our delegates could not make it to attend this conference, but they have sent us some video message. Let's hear them.
Hi, I'm Madhuni. I am Mardinim Rosli from Multimedia University, Malaysia. I'm delighted to hear about the upcoming IEEE International Conference on Integrated Circuits and Communication System ICICS 2024, organized by HKE Society Sir M. Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, Raichur, Karnataka, in collaboration with IEEE Bangalore section and IEEE North Karnataka section, scheduled for February 23rd to 24th, 2024. The prospect of a diverse group of distinguished scientists, engineers, professionals, and students coming together for this two-day conference filled me with excitement and confident that this event will serve as an invaluable platform for the exchange of ideas and the fostering of meaningful interaction. Such collaborative efforts have the potential to make a significant impact and enhance our life. My heartfelt congratulations go out to organizer and IEEE student branch volunteers for their dedication and hard work in bringing this remarkable IEEE conference to fruition. Wishing everyone involved a successful and enriching experience during the conference. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Julian Lekarnik, a senior lecturer at the University of Glasgow. Attending such conferences is crucial for professionals and researchers to stay updated with the rapidly evolving technologies and to foster collaboration among experts in the field. It provides a platform for sharing insights, exchanging ideas, and exploiting potential collaborations for future research endeavors. So, welcome to the second IEEE International Conference on Integrated Circuits and Communication Systems, ICICACS 2024, and take the full benefit of this unique gathering to achieve your objectives.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome everyone. I'm Professor Paolo Crippa, Associate Professor of Electronics at the Department of Information Engineering, Università Politecnica delle Marche, Ancona, Italy. It is my great honor and pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all participants to the second IEEE International Conference on Integrated Circuits and Communication Systems, ICICACS 2024, hosted by HKA Society's Sir M. Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, Raichur, Karnataka, in collaboration with IEEE Bangalore section. In light of the rapid advancements in computer science and electronics, now is an opportune moment to delve deeper into these fields and foster platforms for knowledge exchange, such as this conference. I firmly believe that this event will serve as an excellent opportunity for networking among researchers and academicians. It is my hope that it will facilitate the formation of new partnerships that not only advance the respective fields, but also the careers of all participants. From students to seasoned researchers, this conference presents a wonderful opportunity to engage in discussions, share ideas, and propel new research and developments forward in these dynamic areas. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the organizers for their diligent effort in orchestrating this conference, particularly in the current circumstances, for the betterment of the societies as a whole. Finally, I will thank the organizers for formally inviting me as a keynote speaker at this conference.
Thank you, Dr. Roosley, Dr. Kernick, and Dr. Kripa for connecting with us virtually. Moving ahead with today's agenda, we would like to inform the audience that due to last-minute changes in the busy schedule, our chief patron and patron are unable to attend this event. We would like to thank our distinguished patron, Sri Girija Shankar Sir, convener of our college and governing council member of HK Society, and our chief patron, Dr. Bhima Shankar C. Bilugundi, President, HK Society, Kalaburgi, for supporting us throughout this conference. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge takes you to success. On the road, we are somebody else's guests, and we play in a way that they are not going to forget we visited them. We have come to the part of this event where we would like to express our gratitude to our guests with token of love and appreciation. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to do the honors and felicitate our guests. I request Dr. T. Srinivas to accept our felicitation.
అంతే సరే బాబా ఐఎస్ఓ ఎక్కువ bro. Right, sir. Thank you.
I now request Dr. Pradeep V. Desai to accept our felicitation.
Bro. ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్ సార్. Sir, right, sir.
I welcome Dr. Chalavadi Vishnu for the felicitation.
Ready, sir? Ma'am, ready, madam? Good. Right, sir. Thank you.
I welcome Ravi Hosmani sir for a felicitation.
Ready, sir? Right, sir. Thank you.
I request Dr. Vishwanath P. Sir to accept the felicitation.
I will. Right, sir. Thank you.
I request the dynamic lady, Professor Rajamma Patil, to accept the felicitation.
Ready, sir? Thank you, sir.
I request Professor Sumangala Itagi to come forward for the felicitation.
ಸರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಾಂ ರೆಡಿ ರೈಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್
I request Dr. Vishwanath P. to accept the institutional appreciation.
ಸರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
I request Dr. Sharan Kumar sir to come forward and accept the token of appreciation. I request Professor V.K. Jalihal sir to come forward and accept the token of appreciation. Thank you all the dignitaries. I now request Professor Sumangla Idgi, Head of Computer Science and Engineering Department from SMVCE, to deliver vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all. Distinguished guests, colleagues, and participants. It's my pleasure to deliver a vote of thanks to all the attendees on this occasion of inauguration of second International Conference on Integrated Circuits and Communication Systems, IEEE 2024. I would like to thank the chief guest of today's function, Dr. T. Srinivas, Chair Professor, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, IEEE, Bangalore section, for gracing this function. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank guest of honor, Dr. Pradeep V. Desai, CEO, Teleset Innovation Private Limited, for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. I thank guest of honor, Dr. Chaluvadi Vishnu, Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati, for taking time to be the part of this conference. Thank you, sir. I thank special invitee, Professor Ravi Vasmani, Chair, IEEE North Karnataka subsection, for being the part of this ceremony. Thank you, sir. I thank Dr. Vishwanath P., Professor and Head Department of ENCE, Sir MV College of Engineering, Raichur, Technical Program Chair, ICICACS 2024, planning and organizing this conference. Dr. Vishwanath P., thank you. I thank Dr. Sharan Kumar, Publication Chair, and Professor Rachama Patil, Finance Chair of this conference. I would also like to thank all the members of Technical Program Committee from various countries for the support they extended. I thank the members of the Advisory Committee for all the cooperation and guidance provided to us despite their busy schedule. I thank the organizing committee members, our college, for their efforts in planning and conduction of this conference. I would like to thank all the reviewers, session chairs, and keynote speakers for their time and effort in accessing the quality of paper submissions. My heartfelt gratitude towards the members of Technical Institute of Engineers for their association in conduction of this conference. I thank press, media, I thank the management, principal, and staff for their encouragement in conducting this conference. Lastly, I would like to thank all the authors, attendees, and for their presence and participation in the online and the offline mode. Thank you, one and all, who have involved themselves directly or indirectly in organizing this conference and being a part of this assemblage today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of management, staff, and students, I would like to thank Professor Sumangla for her consistent support and encouragement in conduction of this conference. Thank you, one and all, for making up your time to attend this inaugural function of International Conference on Integrated Circuits and Communication Systems, ICICACS 2024. The paper presentation sessions will begin next as per the details shared to the respective authors. The keynote sessions will start at 12 noon with keynote address by our distinguished guests. I request all the participants to join the same at scheduled time. Thank you, one and all. Students are requested to be seated. All the students are requested to be seated.
బ్యాటరీ ఉండదా మనది చార్జర్ వైర్ ఉండదా అది ఒకటి గుడ్డుది క్యాప్ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಅಕ್ಕ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೇ ಬ್ರೋ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀಯಾ ಬ್ರೋ? ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ದೊನಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬ್ರೋ. ಬ್ರೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಅಕ್ಕ ಇನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಕೂತ್ಕೋರಿ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ ರೆಡಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಏ ಬ್ರೋ ಲೈಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಬ್ರೋ. ಬ್ರೋ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆಯ್ಟ್ इसको सब आराम से ब्रो 31 ರೆಡಿ
ಸರ್. ಐಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ರೆಡಿ?
ಹಾಂ ರೆಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಿ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಓಕೆ
ರೈಟ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. నీకు అయిపోయిన తర్వాత దొరికేది కదా. ఓకే అనేది కదా, నాకు ఇంకా తీసుకుంటుంటే
నాకు నువ్వేమంటావు? రైట్ అయిపోయింది.
Hello. Hello. Hello.